Hello gorgeous, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over my December Boxycharm by Ipsy. If you're not familiar, it is a subscription box. You get makeup, you get skincare, you get tools, all kinds of fun things. My favorite thing about them is the drop shop. It is around $30 per month. I've been doing it for years. I buy this box with my own money. The drop shop is my favorite part because you get access to all kinds of brands, high-end, unknown, at deep discounts, and I make a purchase off the drop shop almost every month. It's a lot of fun. It used to be a complete surprise. Now they choose 2 full-sized items for you, and then you have choices for the next 3. Some months I'm happier than others with my choices or what they've chosen for me, but most of the time I'm pretty happy. So I put on some of my face today, and the rest I'll be putting on with you, and we'll decide, was my $30 well spent? There was a little wrapping inside the box to protect my items. There's a little flyer in here with a QR code if you want to look up the products. I'm going to start with my add-on, what I found in the drop shop to purchase, and it is this NATASHA the Rice Wash. It is a transformative powder to cleanser face wash. It uses rice powder, amino acids, and hyaluronic acid to gently wash away impurities without stripping the skin. My sister is a big NATASHA fan, so I have a couple little deluxe minis of the water cream, the face wash, so this is for her. I like NATASHA, she loves it. So, little stocking stuffer. Now I can get into the box. I believe this was chosen for me, and this is the Appeal Cosmetics Hydrating Eyeshadow Primer. It says here, tired of your eyeshadow creasing and fading? This hydrating eye primer is a must-have addition to your makeup routine. It ensures long-lasting, vibrant, and beautifully hydrated eyes all day long. This product retails for $21. I like the nice neutral packaging. Ooh, look at the applicator. Are you supposed to put it directly on your eye? Interesting, because it feels very cooling. Just gonna spread it out using the applicator, and it feels so lovely and cool on my eyes. I've never seen an eyeshadow primer with a applicator like this. Okay, I feel the need to press it in with my finger. Feels very lightweight. It's not providing any coverage that I can see, but that's okay with me. The next product is this JennDBeauty Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick in Desired. Very happy to have this. I already own 2 of these. I'm a big JennDBeauty fan. This retails for $20, and the shade is described as a reddish brown, and this is a formula where moisture meets matte, one swipe color payoff, keeping lips deeply hydrated for all day wear, enriched with chia seed oil and hyaluronic acid. I actually have 2 lip products in my box today, so I'm only going to swatch this one, but for sure I will report back on the shade, but it sounds like something right up my alley. Yes. And the packaging is so beautiful. I love that slim design. They chose that for me, and then there was another lip product available in the choices that I just couldn't help but choose because I've heard such good things about it, and when I saw the opportunity to try it, I had to go for it. It is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Velvet in Peachy Nude. Retails for $24. Meet your new lip obsession. This peachy nude lip mousse that delivers true matte color with a weightless, cushioned feel. This dreamy formula glides on smooth, giving you pigment and a flawless finish thanks to its teardrop-shaped wand. I have a little bit of plumping lip balm on. I am a liquid lip kind of girl. I like weightless, thin, long-lasting lip color. And ooh, look how pretty. Beautiful packaging. Here's what the wand looks like. Feels a little dry going on my lips, and I struggled to get full coverage with one dip. That's not a big deal. Let me go ahead and add liner because I feel like this is such a light shade. I like it better with a lip liner. It doesn't feel sticky We'll see if it transfers in a little bit. I'll give it a minute to set. If I didn't mention, this lip color retails for $24. This next one I am excited about. This is a NATASHA DENONA limited edition palette made specifically for Boxycharm, and they did package it very nicely, which I appreciate. You put a sticker on it, which kind of messed up my packaging. Give me just a second, see if I can get that off. All right, well, that's a bummer, but I'll leave it there. I'm sure I can get it off later. This is the Rose and Wood eyeshadow palette, travel-friendly collection of rosy taupe shades, showcases NATASHA's signature creamy matte metallic and chroma crystal formulas. Sometimes she recycles shades from other palettes, but this one I do not see shade names. It just tells you where to put it. Center eyelid, outer eyelid that I'm seeing. And these are bigger than the typical $27, $29 palettes from NATASHA. This one retails for $48, and I'm very happy to have it. NATASHA is probably top 3 eyeshadow formulas for me. I'll go ahead and swatch the shades. Very interesting in that you have 4 shimmer shades and 1 matte. Looks like more of a champagne, rose gold, taupey brown, and then more of a pink. And then here is the matte. Very pretty. I will take my MOTD Pigment Packer brush, and I'm going to go right into that 1 matte shade. And just tap it on my outer corner. Looks perfect. Now what I'll do is take a clean brush, this is a JennDBeauty E01, and just sort of buff out that edge a little bit for some softness. When you don't have a lighter matte, this is the best way to do it. Take a clean brush and just blow it out a little. And that eyeshadow primer seems to be working just fine. I think to match my peachy nude lip and peachy pink liquid blush that I have on, I'm going to go into this center shade right here, which was the more warm shade. Gorgeous. Exactly what I expected. Now I'm going to take this taupey shade and I'm going to put it underneath. Because it's a shimmer, I'm going to dampen my brush. This is a Profusion Small Pointed ES6. I'm just going to spray it with a little e.l.f. setting spray here. Dampening the brush is just going to help avoid fallout, and it really does help keep it in place longer. Now I'm curious about the lipstick. Nothing. It is definitely transfer proof, feels super soft. One more item in the box, and that is the Ophir Cosmetics Verified Liquid Liner in Black. Retails for $20. Get your wing game verified with this liquid liner made with an extended ultrafine brush tip and a mess-free formula. You can easily tightline or create a bold cat eye without color bleeding. Sounds good to me. It's a pretty sort of matte black packaging. Here is the liner, and add a bit of a wing. Definitely easy to apply, super soft brush tip. I would say my only complaint is that it does not seem quite as black as it could be. I'm back. I have a little bit of the new L'Oreal Big Deal Mascara on the top, good old e.l.f. lash extender tubing on the bottom. Of course, I'll have everything listed and linked in the description box below, which if you choose to shop with those links, I do make a small commission, and I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I added up the value of the box, and it comes up to $133. I have had boxes that were worth more, but truly, I think this box is fantastic. I love NATASHA's formula. The LYS lip color, obviously I like it. I already own 2 in my stash, and I'm a huge fan of LYS, so absolutely a nice reddish brown, and this one also very, very long lasting. The lip color from Anastasia, I'm not quite sure. It is very peachy. You have to tell me what you think of the shade, but the formula I do like. The eyeshadow primer, absolutely. It did a great job. The liquid liner, I'll have to keep you posted in the comments, I will pin a comment, and of course I let you know in the description box, but right now I think it's very nice. It does seem like a soft black, so if that is what you are into, then you will love this. One more thing before I let you go. If you noticed my pretty nails while I was trying on this makeup, I just wanted to shout out this company called Glam. They reached out to me, asked if they could send me some gel nail polishes, and of course I said yes. I am a big press-on girl, and I often buy colored press-ons, but I also buy the clear ones. I needed to do my nails today, so I put the clear nails on and utilized this little starter box that they sent me. And in this box I got a base coat and a top coat, and I was able to pick 3 different colors. This one, it is Cat's Eye. I should have put this one on today. That one looked very interesting. They have different finishes on their website. I'm excited to play with all of these, but the one that I have on my nails today is this one called Joy. It was super easy to apply. And the other thing I wanted to mention is in their little starter kit, you get a little UV lamp. Is this not adorable? Look how small this is. You get a little cord. I just attached it to my little power bank. Here is the USB connector, and then on the other side is a micro USB connector. But this was super easy. Things you should know about this company are that they are vegan, cruelty-free, palm oil free, 21 free formula, and HEMA free. They were very nice to deal with. Make sure you check out their website. If you're into doing your nails at home, I highly recommend. As I said, I put them over my press-ons, but you don't have to do that. You could put these on top of your natural nails as well. But lovely. So happy to have in my collection. By the way, they are not paying me to do this video. They just sent it and I wanted to give them a shout out. Back to the Boxycharm. Was it worth it? Absolutely. I got some beautiful items. I really don't dislike anything, so win-win-win. I got all makeup. Some people love the skincare. I am more of a makeup girl. If you're not subscribed, I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. I upload videos on Mondays and Saturdays. Give the video a thumbs up, and of course, leave me a comment. Do you get Boxycharm by Ipsy? Did you get different things in your box? Were you happy with your box? Have you tried Madam Glam nails? Let me know, or just leave me a heart to let me know you were here. I thank you so much for spending some of your precious time with me today. I'll see you in the next one.